Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X and CHK. So the Twitter bulls topping out a bit here, 1705, 1707. So we are seeing some of that resistance, the moving averages. We did close right above the upper Bollinger Band, so we are technically still in breakout mode, but this is a bearish candlestick after a 4-day bounce. So if we do consolidate, we will be looking for the bulls to form a higher low. A higher low will occur anywhere really above 1577. So there's plenty of downside room that the bulls could still keep a potential oversold bounce uptrend with another higher low. You see the middle Bollinger Band is leveling out. It's going to begin ascending over the next couple of days. So our new top is in for now, 1707. Weekly time frame is hitting exponential resistance. Still going to be a solid weekly candlestick that the bulls will look to build off of next week. GoPro on the daily time frame topping out as well. So the high of this bounce right now is 931. Low volume, but it does look like this is our new lower high. If we consolidate, the bulls have to form a higher low compared to 867 and then see a shift in the momentum to see that higher low and then higher high to change the trend back in favor of the bulls, which has been a very bearish trend since we broke down and broke supports. Weekly time frame is a bullish reversal candlestick, so 3 weeks rejecting from the 50-week resistance, a bullish reversal candlestick trying to hold the middle Bollinger Band support, and the bulls need to follow through with this candlestick next week, which would mean that we do see a higher low and a higher high for that bullish continuation, if that were to play out. X on the daily time frame is a bearish candlestick as well, rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band resistance, which is 24.99, so we are going to have to pull back and form a higher low compared to 23.22. Anything above that level keeps the bulls in full control, and after 23.22 we would be looking down at 22.94, but that would shift the trend momentum and put the bears in control to a degree. So bulls really want to hold 23.22. New resistance is at 25.34, and these Bollinger Bands need to begin ascending to create room to the upside for the bulls to continue seeing bullish action. X on the weekly time frame still looking pretty well, pretty good, pretty something. And the upper wick that is there right now is not significant. If we do pull back from the upper Bollinger Band resistance tomorrow and see a red day to end the week, then that upper wick will be pretty large and somewhat comparable to last week's upper wick of profit taking, which is one reason that I am not a fan of this weekly chart. The upper wicks of profit taking and just the slow and steady bounce attempt that has taken very, very long to not even really make a dent in terms of where we came from. But again, as long as the daily higher lows and higher highs are in play, the bulls keep control on this daily time frame. CHK trying to bounce, still rejecting from exponential resistance. The bulls are close to turning things around, but not there yet. We have to see double top of resistance at 396 break. Then we got 4 psychological. 404 is also a resistance. If we can break those resistances, we will see a bullish MACD cross. But as of right now, still waiting on the bulls to show any kind of momentum and follow through. It is potentially a bullish reversal candlestick. If we see a red day tomorrow, the weekly time frame will not be a bullish reversal candlestick. If we see a green day, it will be. So it will depend on that day tomorrow with how this candlestick will shape up. Even if it does see a bullish reversal candlestick on the weekly, we know we need these exponential moving averages as support in order to see the bulls get any kind of traction on this oversold bounce. So watching for the CHK short-term oversold bounce could be in the works. XLE, the energy sector, is also seeing a similar short-term oversold bounce. Other than that, looking for some consolidation in Twitter and GoPro, which look like they have hit some tops of their temporary bounces at this point. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in over the weekend and see how it all plays out. Have a great night.